No.
It is smoky, boo.
God have mercy upon us.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
But this dog don't finish the food where I keep for.
You were not informed too. Eh?
Where is this? I just say make I go buy something. The dog don't finish everything now. Wow. Omo.
You be mumu.
The food where I keep for dog, the dog don't finish them now.
Eh?
I just say make I buy something now. Even the chicken and the fish, the dog don't finish everything.
Wait, now dog now get this food.
Now dog, I push chicken, I push fish.
Yeah, don't beat someone's
Dog
guy.
don't finish everything now. Wow, wait. I am Guardiola. No, that my dog. Nah, she get this food.
It is smoky, boo.
Now dog you put food for that.
Now dog, you know that the dog have born. Now the dog, I just put the food for.
He shock you.
More. Now why did they call the dog Guardiola?
She
Now wow.
she don't born.
You be mumu.
Which one be say she? No, she never born. But she gave birth.
She gave birth.
No, she no gave birth. She belly full. Waiting the only this one.
How many did he?
You be mumu.
How many?
Waiting the only. I said the dog don't finish food. Waiting the only this
So
one.
na Guardiola and I keep this food.
Guardiola. This one you dey ask this question.
Wait, na dog now get this kind of big food.
You don't chop the food.
Rich ones and cup of tea.
Omo.
Funny people.
See, they miss something inside this fish, inside this food, though. They miss something. You know, we miss medicine. So, like this, the dog have born. So the dog's stomach with food.
The dog has gave birth, and you miss something with the food.
Well, waiting the only this one. No. I say the dog don't. Yeah.
So like this, now this head of fish na dog na keep for that. One I go keep her for outside now.
You be mumu.
See, your stomach go full, though. You don't chop our baby. Make I look you well. Jesus. You don't dey enter small.
Run no.
Wow.
Mind now. Make I chop her. If I chop her finish, I go drink red oil.
He shock you.